Welcome to the standard 5th students. Welcome to all of you. Today we'll start chapter 9, developing pollution free environment. How to develop a pollution free environment where there is no pollution. Page 62. Your SST book, page 62. First, what is environment? The things that surrounds us known as environment. The things that surrounds us known as environment. The harmful change brought the environment by natural or human activity called pollution. Then how it will be a pollution free environment and pollution. How it will be a pollution free environment? To control the emission and effluents, control the emission and effluents into the air, water and soil is called a pollution free environment, where there is no emission, where there is no effluents, means waste products, then that will be a pollution free environment. So what is environment, what is pollution, how it will not be a polluted environment. Then so we must protect our environment from being polluted, Then our environment is a combination of both living and non-living things, and the human being are also dependent on water, air and heat, light. Okay. Then a healthy environment provides coexistence of living and non-living things. The coexistence, both will combine together. Ecosystem. Okay, living and non-living. So the waste materials are two types. By the waste material, it pollutes the air, water and the land, the soil. So the waste materials are two types. One is biodegradable and another is non-biodegradable. What are biodegradable wastes? The peels, leftover food and paper, leaves, these all are biodegradable. It will decompose. But which are not decomposed? The non-decomposed things are non-biodegradable. Okay, it cannot mix with the soil or air. That is, the non-biodegradable wastes are plastic goods, aluminum cans and silver foils. These are the non-biodegradable waste which did not decompose on the soil, water or air. So the waste is disposed. Where we dispose? The waste will be disposed by burning, open dumping in landfills and by digging the compost pits. In three ways: burning, open dumping in landfills, the vast land area, and by digging compost pits. The waste disposal pollutes the environment when burning the waste. When we burning the waste, it pollutes the air. So that will be a compost pit should be formed. What is compost pit? A compost pit is dug on the ground, the household waste and the cattle litter. Okay, and dung is dumped in the compost pit, and that this waste turns into manure. So we must recycle. 3R to be remembered. 3R. Compost pit, do you understand? Then 3R. 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 First is reduce, reuse and recycle. 3R should be remembered. All should remember 3R. Reduce, reuse and recycle. These 3 R's, whenever possible, whatever possible, whenever or whatever possible, waste should be there. So reuse, recycle and reduce. These 3 R's should be remembered, all of you. So recycle is a process. So we will always adopt the process is recycle. Recycle is a process in which the waste material can be used again and again. Recycle. So the kabadiwala are taking all the things from our home and they recycle there. We don't know what they are doing. There they will send to the godown where they are recycled. Nowadays the electronic waste is the fastest growing waste stream in the world. Electronic waste. Okay. The electronic waste is the fastest growing waste stream in the world. So all of us unite together, hand to hand, join hand to hand and protect the environment. We should follow do's, don't do. Do's 4 things, don't do 4 things. Throw the garbage in the dustbin, that is do's. That should be done. Not done what? Don't throw the garbage in the street, roads and park. That is don't do. Then second is the urinate and spit. Urinate and spit in the proper place. Don't spit or urinate in the open or public places. Okay, coronavirus will increase. Then use paper bags and jute bags for shopping. Don't use plastic bags or polythene bags. Okay. Then 4th one is the last one. Reuse metallic cans. Reuse plastics and recycle container. Don't allow the water to stagnate. Stagnate means constant way. Stagnate to the one place. The stagnant water is breeding of the insects. Breeding of the habitat of the insects or breeding of the insects. Mosquitoes, flies, they'll breed there in the stagnant water. In the moving water, they cannot still in the moving water. When in the stagnant water, they stand on the stagnant water and they started breeding. Okay. Understand all of you? Do's and don't do's. Do's and don't. These things will protect the environment. Okay. It will be a pollution-free environment. Thank you all of you. Remember all the things. Write down in the assignment copy and write down the question answer what was given in the groups. What was given in the groups in the as PDF. So you should write down and send to the school on every Friday. Understand all of you? Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.